We all have habits that we want to change, but sometimes we feel powerless or stuck in a cycle of pain. In this video, I will guide you through a simple but powerful technique that can help you overcome any bad habit and replace it with a positive one. First, find a comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths and relax your body and mind. Now, think of the bad habit that you want to break. It could be smoking, overeating, procrastinating, or anything else that is hurting you and your loved ones. Visualize yourself doing this habit and notice how it makes you feel. What are the triggers that make you do it? What are the consequences that follow? Be honest with yourself and don't judge or criticize yourself. Now think of a positive habit that you want to adopt instead of the bad one. It could be exercising, meditating, reading, or anything else that is good for you and makes you happy. Visualize yourself doing this habit and notice how it makes you feel. What are the benefits that come from it? How does it improve your health, mood, productivity, or relationships? Now here is the simple trick that can help you break the bad habit and form the good one. Every time you feel the urge to do the bad habit, pause for a moment and say to yourself, I choose not to do this because it harms me and I deserve better. I choose to do this instead because it helps me and I love myself. Then, do the positive habit instead of the negative one. Repeat this every time you face the temptation, and soon you will notice that the bad habit loses its grip over you and the good habit becomes natural and easy. This technique works because it helps you rewire your brain and create new neural pathways that support your goals. It also helps you cultivate self-awareness, self-compassion, and self-discipline, which are essential for any personal growth. By choosing to do what is good for you instead of what is bad for you, you are sending a powerful message to yourself and the universe that you value yourself and your well-being. You can use this technique for any habit that you want to change, no matter how big or small. The key is to be consistent and persistent. Remember that habits are formed by repetition, so the more you practice this technique, the more effective it will be. Don't give up if you slip up once in a while. Just get back on track as soon as possible and keep going. You have the power to change your habits and change your life. You have the power to create your own reality. You have the power to be who you want to be. All it takes is a simple choice. But before we end this video, I want you to do one more thing. I want you to think of someone who loves you unconditionally. It could be your partner, your parent, your child, your friend, or anyone else who cares about you deeply. Imagine them in front of you right now and look into their eyes. See how much they love you and how much they want you to be happy and healthy. Feel their warmth and their support. Now tell them in your mind or out loud, I love you too, and I promise to break this bad habit for myself and for you. Feel their gratitude and their joy as they hug you and congratulate you on your decision. You are not alone in this journey. You have people who love you and support you. You have people who believe in you and cheer for you. You have people who are proud of you and inspired by you. You are not just changing yourself, but also changing the world. Now slowly open your eyes and return to the present moment. Notice how calm and confident you feel after this meditation. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for taking this step towards breaking your bad habit and forming a new one. Thank you for watching this video on how to break a bad habit with a simple trick. I hope it was helpful and inspiring for you. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a wonderful day, and remember, you are amazing.